Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's my son's birthday. I'm going to make him a cake. Come on. Oh, thank you for joining me. I'm using a box cake today, but I'm using a sugar-free box cake, and I'm going to jazz it up for him. He is a fan of pumpkin. Not pumpkin spice, necessarily, but pumpkin. And I want to make a special little cake for him. So, let's get started. This is the cake mix here, the boxed cake mix. And I'm just going to whisk it a little bit to try to get some of those lumps out of it. Now, I've already got my oven preheating to 325 degrees. I'm going to bake it by the instructions on the box. But we're going to make it different. And 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice is what I'm adding to the mix. And I'm going to cap these off so I don't spill them. Go ahead and whisk this in. You can use your electric mixer if you want to. I just want to get this mixed in real well. I've made cakes before using my Bunt pan. I haven't made this cake before. I've made sugar-free cupcakes before, but this is a new one. And it's for his birthday, so fingers crossed that this works out. Alright, now to that we're going to add half a cup of oil, 3/4 cup of pumpkin, half cup of, this is what I've got left, so I'm just going to put all of it in there, of cream cheese, or sour cream, my goodness. I'll be okay. Next thing I have is 4 eggs. I dropped that one on the counter a while ago and it cracked. I didn't want it to make a big mess when I popped it. Here we go. Let's get this mixed up. Now that I've got that mixed in just a little bit, I'm going to put half teaspoon of vanilla. Now, we've got this all mixed up, and I've got 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, and I'm going to heat it up in the microwave just to soften it. Okay, and I'm going to add just a dash of the pumpkin pie spice to that. Whisk it. I think that's a teaspoon there. But I'm going to put a little bit more of this in there because I want it to have a specific flavor, which is called pumpkin. Okay, yeah. Get this mixed in. Okay. And yeah. I grease my pan really good. Hopefully this won't stick. I'm going to pour this in, making sure to get it around, all the way around the pan. And I'm going to leave about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of the batter still. Because we're going to put it over top of our filling that we're going to put in here. So, next step. This is brown swerve. If you're making this, you can use brown sugar, you know, and you can use just a standard box cake. You don't have to make it sugar-free. He's trying to switch over to the sugar-free lifestyle, and I'm a fan of that. So we're just going to take a few tablespoons of this sweetener and sprinkle it all throughout the top of this part of the cake batter. Think about like that. Let me wash my hand off right quick. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take some more of this pumpkin pie spice. We're just going to sprinkle it around on there. A little bit of cinnamon. Sprinkle it on there too. Like that. Now, we're going to take our cream cheese mixture and we're just going to dollop it around on top of here throughout the cake. I mean, you know, pumpkin, cream cheese, yes please. Sugar-free, double yes please. Okay. Get the rest of that out of there. Yeah. Scoot this out of the way. We're going to take the rest of this batter and we're going to put it over top of what's in there already with hopes of being able to spread it out nice and even over the rest of the cake batter in there. Just make sure you get it all the way around. Now if you want to measure it out, measure out about 1.5 cups to 2 cups. Like I said, I've made many cakes, but I've not made this one yet. And I'm hoping it's a winner. Okay. Now, it's a little messy though. wiping my hands off yet again. Splashed water all over myself while ago. Okay, yeah. We're just going to take this. Let me get you guys right here so you might be able to see this better. We're just going to take this and spread it on top of that cream cheese mixture and the brown sweetener and all of those delicious fall spices. And then we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes, in which we will, of course, we will check it before we get it out of the oven with our toothpick. Alright. And in the oven you go. Let's hope it comes out looking as pretty as I think it should. And we'll see you in just a few minutes. Okay. Let's see if it's done. Done. Now I'm going to let it sit here and cool down a little bit, and then I'll try to get it out of the pan all in one piece. Be back with you in just a few. Pretty sure that it tore a little bit on me, but that's okay. I think I might be able to fix it. Yeah, it did stick a little bit, but it's okay. Not bad at all. It did tear in a couple of places, but that's just not bad at all. I can probably cover that up with a little bit of this icing that I've got mixed up over here. I'm going to let this cool down, and then I'm going to put some icing on it. Okay. I put some orange food coloring in this icing, which tastes good, but anyway. But it don't look orange. It looks kind of pink. Hey, he's gonna eat it, right? What I did do was I put it in the microwave and warmed it some. Yeah, see, it's kind of a weird color, isn't it? But I'm just gonna keep pouring it on there and let it hopefully work its way down the cake. Ooh, that was a little much, huh? Just because it's from a box doesn't mean you can't put your own spin on it and your own flavors on anything. So I'm sure that whoever it's made for will appreciate it just as much either way. Yeah, I'm using my skewer from when I stirred that all together. This cake smells so great. We'll get a picture and insert it of his thoughts on this birthday cake. So you guys will know if he liked it or if he didn't. When you see my son, you'll know if he don't like something, he's not going to tell you he did. He will tell you what could improve it. He won't be rude about it, but you'll see. Trying to get the rest of this over here covered. Almost looks orange. It's not pumpkin orange. There we go. Now, I'm going to put just a little sprinkling of these little candy shreds on here. He'll see these and think it's coconut. He'll say, Mom, you know I don't like coconut. That is that, my friends. See? Looks pretty good, huh? If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will. Click that subscription button. Hit the notification bell so that you'll know each time I put new content on. Click all. That way you know for sure. Y'all take care. Enjoy your day. Have a good weekend. A good week. Whenever this comes out. See you next time. Bye.